Hi, in front of me is LG K50S, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store and typing Magic Fluids. Then download this app from this developer. Open it, click OK, and tap at the bottom right corner. Choose Settings, select I accept, and now you can customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click Apply, and if you want to apply it on your screen lock as well, you need to tap on this option, but I don't, so I will click on it again and choose Set. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was applied successfully. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!